Hello, kids! This is Teacher James Lee. Today, we will compare groups of objects to show which are less, more, or equal. But before that, do you know what is the meaning of less, more, or equal? Less states that one value is lesser than, or lower than, or fewer than, or smaller than the other. More states that one value is greater than, or larger than, or bigger than the other. Equal means two values or quantities have the same value. This time, encircle the group that has less number of objects. The first one. You're right, the group with two triangles. The second one. You're right, the group with three squares. And the third one. You're right, the group with four rectangles. This one. Put a check mark on the group that has more number of objects. The first one. You're right, the group with four ovals. The second one. You're right, the group with five hearts. The third one. You're right, the group with three diamonds. How about this one? Put an equal sign if they have the same number of objects, and the wrong sign if not. The first one. You're right, they are equal. The second one. You're right, they are not equal. And the third one. You're right, they are equal. Good job, kids! Do you want to learn more? See you on my next video. Bye-bye!